J-Biz, I know you came here to say it's okay cause I love you anyway. Hey J-Biz, I know you came here to say it's okay cause I love you all day.
Hey y'all, so in today's video, I'm just going to be styling my faux locks. So here I'm showing you what they look like, and this is going to be the first style. You can just do a side part or a middle part or whatever part you'd like. So for the second style, you're just going to take a few pieces in the front and tie them together as if you were tying a shoe in the back. Just, tie them regularly and fluff the hair out, and that is the first style. I feel like this style works better on braids, but you get the idea. For the second style, you're going to take 2 ponytails in the front. That's what you're going to make. So you're going to take a couple pieces of hair on each side, and you're going to be making 2 ponytails. This might work better if you wrap the hair around each other, but it still works like this. For the next one, since we already had the ponytails in, we're just going to wrap the hair around itself, and this is going to give us our 2 buns that we love. I really like this style, y'all. So for the next one, we're just going to grab a couple of pieces on the top of our hair, put that into a ponytail, and yeah, you can flip it from side to side, have it in the middle, whatever you desire. And from that ponytail, you can create a bun. Same as you did the 2 buns, make that ponytail, then just wrap the hair around itself. For this next one, we are going to be creating a bun on the top of our head. So what I do is I just take it, wrap the hair around itself, and wrap the hair around itself again. I'm sure there's another way, but this is the way we're going to do it. And I'm showing you as if the sides were up. That's why my hands are on my head. For this next one, instead of taking pieces in the front, we're just going to take 2 or 3 pieces from each side on the back, tie them together, and voila. And so this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this, make sure you subscribe. If you didn't like it, still subscribe. When you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every single time that I upload. And my locks were slipping out, so I was just trying to show you guys that. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.